Meaning of hoon.
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 hoon,
Hoon. Hoon is a slang term that originated in Australia and New Zealand and refers to reckless or dangerous driving behavior, particularly in cars or other vehicles. It can encompass actions such as drift racing, donuts, burnouts, and generally driving in a dangerous or disruptive manner. The term is often associated with young male drivers who seek thrills and excitement in their car culture. However, this type of driving is illegal and dangerous, and can lead to accidents, injuries, and loss of life. As such, it is important to prioritize safe and responsible driving habits on the road.